Fishing is like peace and quiet and try to catch a fish.
Oh, take your time, brother.
Oh, there, hold it.
Come on, baby. That's kind of fun. You got it, brother. Oh, that's a nice one.
Got it.
What do you want that one? Squid.
It's supposed to be
No, going away.
remade.
No, no.
Never know. I will try one for you. You squid or not?
More and more.
They can come up. There they come. Hang on, brother.
What was the most fighting moment you had?
When I was reeling in the water.
Yeah, we're going for the big one now. You know what about it?
Were you ever worried that the fish was going to get away?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh man!
That was a fight too.
Alright, here, we'll catch him.
I felt like both.
Oh, stand over here.
I got the tiniest.
Here you go.
Tiny. Yeah, and I got the biggest.
Oh yeah!
Oh, it's here.
Alright.
Oh, really fighting.
They were really fighting.
Yeah. You got it.
Come up slowly. You're going there. Fish! Wait, hang on. You're going there. See, right there. There.
Why?
Ah, you got him! Hey!
Yeah.
Okay. So what was the easiest fish you caught?
The easiest. There was no easiest. Yeah, most was really hard.
Yeah.
We got one. Fishing is like peace and quiet and try to catch a fish. I can't really describe it.
Yeah.